Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shorthand Classes with Neha. So, we ready for the dictation? Start. It's an unhappy irony that even as the past 25 weeks have seen the world race like never before to find a new vaccine, the percentage of the world's children who received all the existing vaccines recommended by WHO is dropping back to where it was 25 years ago. The expensive health and economical toll of the pandemic has made the richest countries pour billions of dollars to both fast track vaccine development and seal advance purchase agreements with various vaccine companies. This raises a grave specter when it is finally here. How will we access the vaccines? As Bill Gates pointed out, that is why there must be more widespread participation in the multilateral platform COVAX, which is working to deliver vaccines equitably to all countries. Being the world's largest vaccine manufacturer, India plays a key role in all this. The Serum Institute of India alone will be manufacturing billions of doses for COVAX, Oxford, AstraZeneca, and Novavax. But the company's chief executive, Adar Poonawalla, has flagged two important issues that need addressing domestically. One, the world will need 15 billion doses in case of a two-dose vaccine, and unless manufacturing capacity is expanded, it will be 2024 and before every human being can be vaccinated. 2. In the absence of a sophisticated cold chain, India could see a situation where you have capacity for your country but you can't consume it. The National Expert Group on Vaccine Administration for COVID-19 is working on these myriad issues of manufacturing capacity, delivery mechanisms, digital inventories, and the strategic order in which the population will be vaccinated. It's important to put a plan in place early to enable good preparations and public communication and maximize the vaccine's blessings when it gets here rather than meet it with chaos and social strife. It's equally important not to waste the lessons of the past 6 months, such as how a jumbled slew of pricing interventions shrank testing capacity instead of raising it. A free market approach to vaccine pricing combined with DBTs and other provisions for the needy would work best for universal access to vaccines. With smart planning and investments, India can stand out as a pharma hub producing COVID vaccines to meet both the world's and its own needs while blazing a trail for Indian pharma exports to grow. It can thus turn today's grim story around. Stop. Friends, I know editorial matters are really hard, but I suggest you should write these matters for courts exams, and you should write it before practicing these hard words. I hope you liked my suggestions and liked my dictations. Thank you.